Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download the WhatsApp on your laptop device. Now let's begin. On your laptop device, simply open up the Microsoft Store. Right here, as you can see, I have already opened up the application. Now right here, there are lots of apps that you can browse through. But right now, we simply want to download WhatsApp. On the top, there's a search box right there. Simply type WhatsApp. Once you have typed it, simply hit on enter. These are the results that I have obtained. Right here is WhatsApp and here is WhatsApp beta. You can download anyone, but I do recommend downloading this version of WhatsApp. You can either install it from right here, but if you want more information regarding this application, simply click on the tab right here. Now something like this will open up. Now from here, you can read the description and such. You can also give ratings. But right now, we simply want to install. Here's the install button right here, simply click on it. And then, as you can see, WhatsApp is being downloaded and installed in our laptop device. Now let's wait for a while. As you can see, we have successfully downloaded WhatsApp on our laptop device. Simply hit on this open button right here. And there you go. We have downloaded WhatsApp on laptop. Well guys, that's it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.